So you can say example 1.29. Find the value of square root of 42.25. So here they given find the value of only they given. So any method didn't they mention? No. So any method we can do. So long division method or we can take square root method. No. So according to what is the square root method? So one more method that so we can see how we can find it. We can find the solution. So without using long division method, how we can find? We can check here. So long division they mention means long division only how to do. So here they didn't mention now. So how we can do? We can see here square root of 42.25. Now, so then square root of 42.25. So here 2 digit after point there. No decimal point are the 2 digit 1 2 right word 2 left word coming. So 2 digit after pointer 1 2 digit after pointer. So 2 digit after point there means that point out to cancel this decimal out to cancel. So if you decimal cancel means we can use the prime factor method now. So then how to cancel the decimal? So 1 digit after point there means you have to multiply and divide by 10. 2 digit after point there means you have to multiply and divide by 100. 3 digit after point there means you have to multiply and divide by 1000. 4 digit after point there means you have to multiply and divide by 10,000. So that type going on. Now, so here 2 digit after point there. So you have to do multiply and divide by 100 by 100. Multiply and divide by 100. No, so multiply and divide by 100. Now, so then what will get? So root of 1 into, so decimal now no need to consider, 1 into 4225. What will get? So 4225 only will get. Now, so after that 20 add here. Divided by 100. Now, divided by 100 there. So here numerator 2 digit after point you have to take. 2 digit after you have to do point. Now, so 0.00 there is no value. 0.00 there is no value. So what we can consider 4225 by 100. Now, so for numerator and denominator also root there. Whole root of 4225 by 100. So we can separately we can convert. No, so separately we can take. So 4000 root of 4225 by root of 100. So we can convert. So for 2 also numerator and denominator also root there. So we can convert numerator separately and denominator also separately. So for this we can find what is the prime factor getting. So for numerator 4225. Now, so here first digit what type there? Odd number. Odd number there means we can use third table or fifth table. So I am using here fifth table. So fifth table means 4 can't. So 2 digit together take means here I'll put 0 now. So 42. So how much time? 8 5 is 40 now. So balance 2 there. Here put means 22. So 4 5 is 20. Balance 2 there. Here put means 25. 5 5 is 25. Again also I am taking odd number now. So 5 table taking. So 1 5 is 5. Balance 3 there. Here put means 34 getting now. So 6 5 is 30. Balance 4 there. So here 45 will get. So 9 5 is 45. No. So then again also odd number there now. So which table we can take? We can check here. So third table, is this possible? 3 3s are 9, 4 5 3s are 15. Balance 1 here put means 19. So 90 means can't. Third table also can't. Fifth table can't. Next, which is the seventh table. Seventh table means 2 7s are 14. Balance 2 there. Here 29 means we can't. No. Seventh table also can't. So then, which table is possible? We can check here. So next, ninth table also we can't. 1 9s are 9. Balance how much there? 1 9s are 9. Balance 7 there. So 79 won't come. No, 9th table. Then 11th table also 1 11s are 11. So balance 5 are 59 won't come. So then again 13th table. So 13 13s are multiply and say 13 13s are 169 will come. 13 13s are 169 will come. 13 13s are 169. No. So then 13 13s are 169. Again 13 table only possible. 113 is a 13. Now, so what are the factors for 4225? 5 into 5 into 13 into 13. Now, by root 100. For root 100, what are the factors we can see? So, for 100, so I am using here second table. 0 means even number. No, z1 number. Second or fifth table we can take. So 5 to the 10. Take down 0. So again also I am taking second table. 2 to the 4. Balance on here put means 10. 5 to the 10. So then fifth table we can take. 5 5 is a 25. Then 1 5 is a 5. So what are the factors there for 100? So root of 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now, so 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So then, so look here. So for these two also, so whole root we can consider now. Whole root we can consider whole root. So these two numerator and denominator also root there. So we can consider whole root. Whole root of 5 into 5 into 13 into 13 by 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now, so then look here. So 5 5 we can cancel. 5 5 we can cancel now. So then again we can't cancel. Again we can't cancel. So then what I will get? So root of 13 into 13. So means what we can know 13 square. 13 into 13. 13 square by 2 into 2. 2 square we can convert. So 13 into 13. 13 square. 2 into 2. 2 square. So root 10 square we will cancel now. For numerator also root there. Denominator also root there. So root 10 square. Root 10 square will cancel. So again remaining is 13 by 2. The square root of 42.25 is 13 by 2, or else in decimally you have to write means if you divide means what will get 13 by 2. If you divide means what will get 6 to the 12 now. So balance on there. So put point, take on dummy, 5 to the 10. Now, so then what is the decimally? 6.5. The square root of 42.25 is what? 6.5. So in this way also we can find.